Hello kids, welcome to Sheng Lessons!
Yay!
Today, we are going to learn CVC words with short A sounds. Are you ready? Let's go! Cat, hat, mat. Again, cat, hat, mat. Your turn. Oh, very good. Rat, bat, bag. Again. Rat, bat, bag. Your turn. Good job! Wag, jam, fan. Again. Wag, jam, fan. Your turn. Wow! Very good! Pan, ban, van. Again. Pan, ban, van. Your turn. Very good! Dad, sad, mad. Again. Dad, sad, mad. Your turn. Whoa, you did it! Bad, lad, rag. Again. Bad, lad, rag. Your turn. Ready? Whoa! Good job! Tag, nag, sag. Again. Tag, nag, sag. Your turn. Yay! Awesome! Cab, lab, cap. Again. Cab, lab, cap. Your turn! I'm so excited! Wow! Very good! Gap, tap, nap. Again. Gap, tap, nap. Your turn. Yay! Zap. Yak. Can. Again. Zap. Yak. Can. Your turn. Your turn. Go. Yay! Amazing! You did it! Whoa! Ran. Tan. Dan. Again. Ran. Tan. Dan. Your turn again. Very good. Ham. Ram. Dam. Again. Ham. Ram. Dam. Your turn. Good job! Yay! Wow, kid! You have a very big star! It's like we are in the outer space! Congratulations! Keep on practicing!